Hello, SirParts online subscribers, and welcome back to our Java programming. And we are now in topic number 27, Java OOP class methods. And guys, I hope you are doing great. And we are already now in topic 27, and topic is in Java object-oriented programming. And let's start. Okay, so Java class methods. So you learn from the Java methods topics that methods are declared within a class and that they are used to perform certain operations. And right now, we are going to create a method named myMethod in our main program. So this would be our code. This is our public class main, and we created a method myMethod, and the output of this particular main method is to display the text hello world. So we will no longer create uh, a program for this. And when you're going to compile this one, it would there would be an error because um, there's no main method. No, so explanations here. My method prints a text, which is the action when it is called. And to call a method, write the method's name followed by two parentheses and a semicolon. So we have here in our program, okay, we have here. So we created this program, public class main 4, and we created my method with this is the output system.out.println SirParts online YouTube channel. And in order for us to run the program, we have our main method. And this is how we are going to call our method. We write the name of the method, then the parentheses and semicolon. And with that program, it will display SirParts online YouTube channel on screen. So let's try to save this and let's try to run the program. This is main 4. Let's try to edit our code. So this is main4.java. And run main 4 and save and click run, and there you go, it displays SirParts online YouTube channel using our method. Okay, so let's proceed to our next topic. So we're going to disable this first. There you go, that's the multi-line comment, and this one is a single line comment. And this one, our next topic is all about static versus public. So you will often see Java programs that have either static or public attributes and methods. So in the example above, we created a static method, which means that it can be accessed without creating an object of the class, unlike the public, which can only be accessed by objects. So to demonstrate this, we are going to have an example between the differences of static and public methods. So this is our code. Let's try to enable this one. Our code is quite long. Okay, so this is the beginning of our code. Our class is main 4. So we created a static method. This is a comment, single line comment, and our static method is this one, my static method, and the display is this one. Static methods can be called without creating objects. And we also have the public method. So we have here public void my public method. So we have this output. Public methods must be called by creating objects, and we have our main method, this one, public static void main string args. We call now our my static method directly, and it will display static methods can be called without creating objects. And if we're going to, this one is a comment, single line comment. If we're going to delete this one, there would be an error, a compile error. So let's try to delete this one and save and run. Click run. Okay, there is an error. This would compile an error, the my public method. So let's try to let's try to change that one. So let's try to disable and save. Then let's try to run that again. There you go. You have the result static methods can be called without creating objects. And if we are going to look that here, okay, this is now, okay, this first output static methods can be called without creating objects is from this call, no? Calling the static method. And for public methods must be called by creating objects. This is how we create the object. What we did is main for my obj equals new main for, and my obj dot my public method. That's how we display the code for that. Okay, so that's the difference between the two. And let's try to, I hope you understand that. Let's try to disable this one for our next subtopic. Okay, for our next subtopic, this is about access methods with an object. So we have an example. In order to understand more of this, we create a car object named myCar, called the full throttle and the speed methods in the myObjectCar, and run the program. So this is our code. We create our main for class. This is main for class, guys. And we create a method for full throttle, this one, and also for the speed, this one. And in our main, this is our main method, we create the object myCar, and we use the methods here, the full throttle and the speed. The speed has a value and argument parameter. I think it's 200. That's the value, no, of the speed, and it will display. Let's try to run this program. Let's save and run. Okay, click run. There's an error. So let's try to check what happened with our program. Maybe we were able to, yeah, we were able to delete this one. I guess it should be an error. Okay, let's check. Okay, so let's try to save again and run it. We forgot to, I think we removed the, okay, so the car is going as fast as it can, and max speed is 200. So let's try to explain. This is the explanation for that. We created a custom main class with a class keyword. We created full throttle and speed methods in the main for class. The full throttle method and the speed method will print out some text when they are called. The speed method accepts an int parameter called max speed. In order to use the main for class and its method, we need to create an object of the main for class. Then go to the main method, which you now know by now is a built-in Java method that runs your program. And by using new keyword, we create an object with the name myCar. Then we call the full throttle and speed methods on myCar object and run the program using the name of the object myCar, followed by the dot, followed by the name of the method, which is full throttle and speed. Notice that we add an end parameter of 200 inside the speed method. Okay, so what you're going to remember that the dot is used to access the object's attributes and methods. Then to call a method in Java, write method name followed by a set of parentheses followed by a semicolon. And always remember, a class must have a matching file name. In this case, we have main4 and main4.java. So that's it, guys. Um, okay. So thank you very much for watching our tutorial, and I hope you learned something about Java OOP class methods. And always remember, learning is lifetime. Bye everyone. Thank you very much for watching.